Coin price forecast estimates a 1.3% rise in Tether Gold by tomorrow. Before we dive in, let's take a look at the market right now. At the time of this recording, Tether Gold shows a 0.6% increase and is trading close to $4,643. Let's jump into what analysts project. According to Coin Price Forecast, the asset could reach $4,705 tomorrow, an upside of 1.3%. Tether Gold is expected to move higher to $4,672.45 according to Coin Codex, a gain near 0.6%. Gov Capital Collector highlights the outlook for dropping to $4,630.29, a potential decrease of 0.3%. Another outlook from Digital Coin Price projects Tether Gold could drift lower to $4,581.11, about 1.3% down. To finish, CoinDataFlow aims for $4,548.69 by tomorrow. That's 2% under today's price. This is the most rewarding forecast in this set. That completes the 5 analyst views. Let's continue. Based on everything the analysts shared, here's the summary. The shared data from these forecasts suggests the market could move from a drop of 2% to an increase of 1.3%, depending on the analyst. In conclusion, CoinDataFlow projects the highest gain, with 2% increase in value by April 4. Based on these forecasts, you could earn between $3 and $20 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility-based calculations, Gov Capital Collector's forecast stands out with a 79.2% chance of success. With all 5 forecasts combined, I formed a unified projection. From all forecasts combined, Tether Gold lands close to $4,627.51. Here's a closer look at the numbers. The consensus projection points to a 0.3% drop in price by tomorrow. And at that exact percentage, your capital could also see growth. On a 1,000 example, that could work out to around $3 in potential profit. In addition, this consensus outlook for Tether Gold carries a probability of about 79.2%. To round out this part, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day horizon. An upward drive is anticipated by Coin Price Forecast. Coin Codex highlights a balanced short-term outlook. Additionally, Gov Capital Collector indicates that Tether Gold is likely to remain steady. Digital Coin Price expects losses to extend. CoinDataFlow views the short-term path as moving upward. Drawing from the shared outlook, the consensus suggests Tether Gold may show strength to the upside throughout the next 3 days. Taken together, the majority of analysts agree that Tether Gold is leaning toward an upward path over the next 3 days. 2 days ago, 5 predictions came out. Let's check how they lined up with yesterday's move. Ultimately, yesterday's candle ended at $4,650.60. The majority of analysts turned out correct about the direction. Judging by accuracy, Gov Capital Collector had the most exact forecast. Let's take it apart. 2 forecasts stayed within the candle's range. And about ROI, there were multiple profitable forecasts, topped by Digital Coin Price at 3%. Here's the full overview. All forecasts verified and compared. In the summary, Gov Capital Collector shows accuracy, 53.5% forecast probability, and 2.6% ROI. Look carefully and spot who stayed closest to the real move. Let's check how tomorrow's projected gains line up for Tether Gold and a few selected assets. At 5th spot is Tether Gold. While Bitcoin Cash indicates 0.9% possible gain, here Tether Gold is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more, along with detailed analyst accuracy data, will soon be available on my website and Telegram channel. If you'd rather not chase forecasts across the web, like and subscribe to get fresh analyst updates right here. Catch you in the next forecast summary.